Hi guys, today I've got some exciting discoveries to share with you. We're diving into Walmart's new spring line and uncovering some stunning restoration hardware lookalikes that'll blow your mind, like this gorgeous rattan chandelier. But before we get started, please like and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Okay guys, first up, check out this stunning tabletop planter. I'm loving the color. It's giving me major vibes of a footed ritual bowl from Restoration Hardware. I've been using these wider bowls to store fruit on my kitchen table for pops of color, and it has a lower side so you could see more of the fruit. For a long table, you can even buy 3 and do 3 different fruits in each, like bananas, plums, green apples. And just to be sure, if you're using food, make sure you give it a good clean with soap and water. You can also get creative with it by adding decorative items like the glass balls that I had used, or candles. You could add some moss for pops of color. Of course, it's perfect for live succulents as well because it not only adds a touch of green to your space, but it also acts as natural air purifiers. Now feast your eyes on this timeless navy and blue pattern beauty. I've jazzed it up with some vibrant colored moss for an organic earthy vibe. You can switch it up with any flower you like to match your decor. I happen to have these white hydrangeas laying around, so I just use those for some neutral tones. Next, we've got this planter saucer that's a dead ringer for the travertine bowl at Restoration Hardware, and it's only $3. I've repurposed it as a chic soap dish with a twist and added some height with these knobs I snagged from Joann's. I first painted them. You can use an acrylic white paint to give it a base coat. I then added a rust brown color I had laying around. I mixed the brown and the white and used a sponge to apply and just dab the paint on lightly in some spots and darker in others, and play around with it until you're happy. Then you'll let it dry and do another round until you really get that same look. The next thing I did, I slapped on some E6000 and I used my hot glue gun as well so that it would adhere immediately and hold strong. And then I just did each ball and I kind of lined it up with those felt pads that it had on the soap dish. And that's it. Super simple, guys. You can put this by your kitchen sink, you can put it in a bathroom, you could even use this as a candle holder as well. Check out this eye-catching planter with intricate detailing. Personally, I think it outshines its RH counterpart. I've spruced it up with some flowers, styled it on a cutting board for some extra touch of charm, and that's all it needed. And how about this gritty colored planter? It's versatile enough to go anywhere. Fill it with flowers for a burst of color, or repurpose it as a tissue box for those pesky winter colds. I was so happy I found this because we have been blowing through boxes of tissues. Last but not least, this cool plant stand was super easy to put together. You literally just screw the legs in and you're done. And rattan is so popular right now in 2024. I feel like this could go in any room. They had some lighter options as well if you don't want the black. And then other rattan planters in some different styles. But this was the one that I purchased because I needed it near a black accent chair that I have in my room. But these planters can be used for so many different things. I used it as a magazine rack, whether you're storing blankets or displaying plants. It's a stylish addition to any space. You can even put logs in there as well and put it next to the fireplace. Okay, well that about wraps it up. Tell me which of these spring finds caught your eye in the comments below, and I'm curious who you thought won the spring planter battle, Walmart versus Restoration Hardware. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you at the workshop.